Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Evony game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Evony game on your device, and if you're opening it up for the first time, then you will go through various tutorials which you will need to complete in order to gain access to the various game menus. Now, once you have completed the tutorial and you have set various different resources, then you can tap on the three dots at the bottom left corner and you will find the settings option. Just tap on settings and you will find account. Tap on the account option and now you will have various different options to log into your account. You can tap on the link account option and now you will see the link Facebook as well as the link Google Play option. Just tap on the link option and then you will be asked to choose your Google account or your Facebook account. Just tap on whichever account is suitable for you, and then you can tap on the continue as button in order to proceed forward with logging in. Once you have proceeded forward with linking your account, you will be logged into your account right away, and if you have your previous gameplay, then all of your progress will be saved as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Evony game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.